In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to integrate your pop-up maker into your WordPress website so that when people go to your website, when you click on the button that says subscribe here, a pop-up will appear and you can integrate that pop-up to your Cydec system as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and begin. Here we've gone over to the pop-up maker, the actual website. You can come over to the website, and when you do, you can download this onto your WordPress in your plugins, or you can simply select upload a plugin. And when you do, you can go in and type in the word pop-up maker because WordPress does link to this as a plugin. Once it shows up, you will have to make certain that you type it in exactly like this in order to get the pop-up maker to show up. When you do, you can go ahead and simply install now and then activate the pop-up maker. When you've installed and activated the pop-up maker, you can see that it will come up in your list of plugins like it's showing right here, and you'll also be able to see it up here in the upper left-hand column underneath projects. Now, once you've done that, we're going to simply go over to the pop-up maker, and then we're going to add a pop-up. When we add a pop-up, you will see that it comes up blank. We're going to list this as test. And then when we list it as test, we're also going to use the Divi Builder, and you'll see exactly how we use the Divi Builder in order to make this work very well. Now that Divi is loaded, we can go ahead and start building, and we want to create 2 columns, and then we want to insert a module. On the module, we'll want to insert an image, and then with this image, we can go to our files, select any image that you have. For purposes of this, we'll use the book. We're going to upload that, and then we're going to select, I prefer it over here. Let's go to the text. It will to you. Okay, so I can go ahead and play around with that. Now, if I want to, I can go to visual. Here it is. And what I can do in here is I can design this. I can go to my text. I can change my text font to, I don't know, let's go to ABZ. Regular, I want it to go regular. And then I want it to be red. I guess we'll leave it there for now. Go ahead and hit the check mark, and then you're going to also add in another text box. When you add in the second text box, what you'll do is you'll select it just like this. Then you're going to use the Divi Cydec Divi opt-in form. You're going to copy this, and then you're going to paste it right in here. Now, when you do this, what you're going to do is you're going to want to find where it has all these hashtags. Because in here, I've got the list ID goes here. You're going to want to highlight all the hashtags, everything in between the 2 quotation marks. Okay, highlight everything in there. Now, you'll notice that this is where your list ID goes. When you're in Cydec, and we're not going to go through how to create this, but you will create it in the subscription tools area, there is a list of details. The Getting Started Essentials shows you how to set all this stuff up, so we don't need to go through that right now. And what you're going to do is you're going to create your own opt-in code, and then you're going to look for where it says list ID. You can see it right here. You can see that the value for this particular list is 4. The user ID number is 1373, and then I've got my own redirect right here. I'm going to copy those for 1373, so I'm going to come back over here. And the first one, I'm just going to go ahead and backspace all of this. And this list is 4. This list was 1373. And then my redirect, I can go ahead and just put in, it goes directly to the website here. So it's this website / thank-you. And there you have it. We have our test, we have our image, our text up here, and then our code to make certain that it works. And then I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Now that it's published, we're going to go ahead and go to all pop-ups. When we come here to all pop-ups, we can see that here's the name of it. I can do an edit, a quick edit, or I can come over here to the CSS classes, and I'm simply going to highlight the CSS classes name. Then we're going to go to the web page that I want to have this integrated on. Here's the home page that we're going to use. We're going to do the drop down, the rows. Here's the button. I'm going to select the cogwheel on this, and then I'm going to go to the advanced. When I go to where the button is on the advanced, I'm going to change the CSS class to my test. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to update this page. Once I've updated this page, I can simply go out to the home page and then test to confirm that this works. And that's all you need to do in order to get your pop-up maker to work and integrate smoothly with your Divi WordPress as well as your Cydec.